We previously touched some interesting subjects, like mushrooms, and among them chaga. We explored the most expensive spices. And today we take a closer look to the truffle. No, not the sweet ones. Most of us probably tasted those sweet chocolates. But have you ever tried truffle coming from the forest? The truffle, an enigmatic and highly prized subterranean fungus, has captivated gourmands and foragers for centuries. Its intense, often indescribable aroma and flavor elevate simple dishes to culinary masterpieces, commanding exorbitant prices and fueling a secretive and fascinating world of hunting and trade. Unlike its more visible fungal brethren, the truffle dwells beneath the soil, a hidden treasure whose discovery relies on a unique partnership between humans and animals, honed skills of observation, and a deep understanding of the delicate ecosystems in which it thrives. The quest to unearth these diamonds of the kitchen is a blend of tradition, instinct, and ecological knowledge, a dance between the truffle's subterranean existence and the persistent efforts to bring it to light. Truffles belong to the genus Tuber within the Ascomycota phylum, a diverse group of fungi that produce their spore-bearing fruiting bodies underground. These hypogeel fungi form a symbiotic, mutually beneficial relationship with the root systems of specific host trees, primarily oak, hazelnut, beech, and pine. This relationship, known as mycorrhiza, is crucial for the truffle's life cycle. The fungal mycelium, a network of fine filaments, envelops the tree roots, enhancing the tree's ability to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, while the tree provides the fungus with carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. This intricate underground network is the birthplace and sustenance of the truffle. The formation of a truffle is a slow and mysterious process, influenced by a complex interplay of soil composition, pH levels, moisture content, temperature, and the health of the host tree. Truffles prefer well-drained, calcareous or argillaceous soils that are neutral to alkaline. The specific conditions required vary depending on the truffle species, of which there are hundreds, though only a select few are highly prized for their culinary value. The most commercially significant include the Perigord black truffle, Tuber melanosporum, and the Italian white truffle, Tuber magnetum pico, each with its distinct aroma, flavor profile, and preferred habitat. The key to finding these subterranean delicacies lies in their potent aroma, a complex blend of volatile organic compounds that develops as the truffle matures. This aroma, often described as earthy, musky, garlicky, or even possessing notes of nuts and fruit, is the beacon that guides those who seek them. While humans possess a sense of smell, it is often insufficient to penetrate the soil and pinpoint the exact location of a ripe truffle. This is where the remarkable partnership with animals comes into play. Historically, pigs, particularly female pigs, sows, were the primary truffle hunting companions. Sows possess a natural affinity for the scent of truffles due to the presence of androstenol, a steroid pheromone found in truffle aroma that is similar to a sex hormone produced by male pigs. This innate attraction made them highly effective at locating mature truffles. However, the pigs' enthusiasm often proved problematic, as they have a strong desire to eat the unearthed treasure. This necessitated careful handling and often muzzling to prevent the valuable find from becoming a quick meal. The difficulty in controlling large pigs and their tendency to damage the truffle habitat eventually led to a decline in their widespread use for truffle hunting. Today, trained dogs are the preferred partners in the truffle hunt. Dogs possess an exceptional sense of smell, far surpassing that of humans, and can be trained to detect the specific aroma of ripe truffles. Certain breeds, such as the Lagotto romagnolo, a water retriever from Italy, have a natural aptitude for truffle hunting due to their keen noses and eagerness to work. However, any intelligent and scent-driven dog can be trained for this purpose. The training process typically begins by associating the scent of truffle with a positive reward, such as a favorite treat or toy. This is often done using small pieces of truffle or truffle oil hidden in training aids. The dog learns to identify the target scent and signal its discovery to the handler, usually by pawing at the ground or sitting. As the dog progresses, the training moves to more natural environments, with truffles buried at increasing depths. The bond between the truffle hunter and their dog is crucial, built on trust, clear communication, and consistent positive reinforcement. A well-trained truffle dog can pinpoint the location of a ripe truffle with remarkable accuracy, often detecting it several inches beneath the soil surface. The truffle hunter, guided by their canine companion, navigates the truffle grounds, often specific areas known for their suitable habitat and past yields. The dog works diligently, its nose close to the ground, sniffing for the telltale aroma. When the dog indicates a find, the hunter carefully approaches, often using a small, specialized hoe or spade called a vanghetto or zappino to gently excavate the truffle. Precision is key to avoid damaging the delicate fungus or the surrounding mycorrhizal network, ensuring future truffle growth in the same area. Once unearthed, the truffle is carefully cleaned of any adhering soil. The dog is then rewarded for its successful find, reinforcing the positive association with truffle detection. Beyond the use of dogs, traditional knowledge and keen observation of the environment also play a role in truffle hunting. Experienced hunters often develop an understanding of the specific microclimates, soil types, and host trees that are most likely to yield truffles. They may look for subtle signs on the surface, such as slight depressions in the leaf litter or changes in the vegetation around the base of host trees, known as brule in French. The brule is a patch of seemingly burnt or barren ground around the tree, believed to be caused by the truffle mycelium inhibiting the growth of other plants. While not a foolproof indicator, the presence of a brule can suggest the potential presence of truffles beneath. Another less common method involves observing the activity of certain types of flies, particularly the truffle fly, Suia gigantea. These flies are known to lay their eggs near mature truffles. Skilled hunters can sometimes spot these flies hovering near the ground, indicating a potential truffle location. However, this method requires a sharp eye and a deep understanding of the local insect life. The picking of truffles is not merely a treasure hunt, it is a delicate dance with nature that requires respect for the environment and an understanding of the truffle's life cycle. Sustainable harvesting practices are crucial to ensure the continued production of these valuable fungi. This includes avoiding the collection of immature truffles, which lack the desired aroma and flavor and have not yet released their spores for future propagation. Responsible hunters also take care to minimize disturbance to the soil and leaf litter, carefully replacing the excavated earth to protect the mycorrhizal network and allow for future growth. The world of truffle hunting is often shrouded in secrecy, with prized locations passed down through generations within families. The high value of truffles can lead to intense competition and a reluctance to share knowledge of productive areas. This air of mystery only adds to the allure and mystique surrounding these subterranean gems. In conclusion, the picking of truffles is a fascinating blend of instinct, training, ecological knowledge, and tradition. The remarkable partnership between humans and trained dogs is the most effective and environmentally sound method for locating these hidden treasures. Guided by their canine companions, truffle hunters venture into the forests, relying on the dog's exceptional sense of smell to pinpoint the subterranean fungi. However, the process is more than just following a dog. It involves understanding the truffle's habitat, observing subtle environmental cues, and practicing sustainable harvesting techniques to ensure the continued bounty of these enigmatic and highly prized culinary delights. The journey from the hidden depths of the soil to the appreciative palate is a testament to the intricate web of life and the enduring human fascination with nature's most exquisite and elusive flavors. Have you ever foraged mushrooms? How did you like that experience? Would you like to try finding truffles? Who would you rely more on, a pig or a dog? Do you like how truffles taste? What dishes did you eat with truffles? Which ones would you like to try? Check soon for our short videos bringing our preferred dishes with tartufo, which means truffle in Italian. We hope our video enriched you. Like it, share it, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.